You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. That will count as the first double crochet. Double crochet in the ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2. Chain 2. 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet in the ring. 1 and 2. Chain 2. 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet in the ring. 1 and 2. Now you can take that yarn end and pull it and close up this hole like that. So we have 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Turn the work. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next double crochet. Slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next double crochet. Slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Slip stitch into the double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the next double crochet. Slip stitch in the next chain 2 space. Slip stitch in the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the top of that chain 2. And that's how that looks. Now turn the work. Now we're going to make this first wing. And I'm going to work into this first chain 3 loop. Slip stitch into the chain 3 loop. Single crochet into the loop. Half double crochet. Double crochet. Double crochet. 3 triple crochet. Two double crochet. One half double crochet, single crochet, and that's the first wing. There's your chain 2 loop, slip stitch in the chain 2 loop. Now we're going to work into the next chain 3 loop, single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 triple crochet, 1, 2. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in each of these stitches. Like that. One more triple crochet. Two double crochet. One half double crochet and a single crochet. So we have the top wing and the bottom wing. Slip stitch into the next chain 2 loop. Okay, so we're going to repeat this one in this loop, and in this loop we're going to repeat this wing. So single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, 1 and 2, triple crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch in each stitch, triple crochet, triple crochet, 2 double crochet, one half double crochet, and a single crochet. Slip stitch into the chain 2. Working into this last loop, single crochet, half double, 2 double crochet, three triple crochet, two double, one half double, and one single. Slip stitch into the ring, slip stitch into the first stitch of the opposite wing, like that. Turn the work, slip stitch in the center, turn the work. Now I'm going to crochet the body. So I'm going to work a chain that will reach to here. I think that'll be about 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to check. And I'm going to turn it and check. And that reaches, so I'm going to slip stitch into that bottom stitch, like that. And now I'm going to chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to come up the back side and I'm going to slip stitch in that top stitch. And I'm going to fasten off. Now I'll tie my 2 ends together on the back and pull those yarn ends into the work. To make the antenna, I'll pull my yarn through the top, tie a knot, And then I'm going to tie a knot in each end. And trim off the ends. And there's the finished butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.